Hey guys, and for once in my life, I don't actually know what video to do. I mean, I could do Geometry Dash, but that's every single day apart. Do Fun Run, but I don't feel like it. I know what I'ma do. I'ma do a video that I have never made a video of. Call 'em Mini Zombies 2. Me and Trollface played this before. If you don't believe me, then just ask him. I'll slap your face if you don't believe me. If I even know who you were. This intro sucks. I am Baseball Guy. This is Trollface right there. No, I don't want to quit the game. I could be this guy. Let's go. Let's go. Die! Huh. Who you? Just my rocket balls! Clown. I've always hated the circus. I've always hated the circus. Since I was a little kid, the clowns were poopy. They pooped their pants. It was stupid. Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you all come from? Crap, I'm out of ammo. And I'm not buying any. So I buy a lot. Racist. Racist zombie. Racist zombie. Racist. All these zombies are racist because they're green. And some of them are purple. Who you? You look like a monster that poops out gumballs. Racist. Racist. You are racist. Look. I'm stuck with the clown dude. Why? It's gotta be my worst nightmare. Where'd you guys come from? Shoot. Crap. Why? Where's that SOS? SOS. You are yeah. SOS. Where's that SOS coming from? Who's my boss? Oh. Keep it football guy. That's not football guy. Who are you? Oh, you're wrestler guy. What's your special move? Racist zombie. I already took him down halfway. I've already taken him down halfway, and this will be easy. The chef was harder than you. The chef was harder than you. There's my basketball machine. He explodes. Yeah. Bruh. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. You have seen Trollface play this, and now you're gonna see me. And you're gonna look. Wait, why does this only have 42 ammo? I ain't gonna live long, so I'm gonna have to use that. Purples. Get ready to get circles. Yeah. Shoot, I'm out of ammo. Break. Oh, yeah, I wanna put the game. That's the end of this video, guys.